Good day, welcome to Beth Jamaican Cooking. Today I'm going to cook curry chickpeas. I cook my chickpeas, my carrot I chop, I season my sweet pepper and my spices. Here add a little ginger. Yeah, I had a little ginger. First I'm going to add my garlic, ginger, and onion. Add garlic, ginger, and onion to my pan and just saute them out. This is my curry. I'm going to add my curry to my pan so it could roast and burn. A little. My curry had come together. Now I'm going to add my chickpeas to my pan. And the curry is coating it nicely. Now that we are in the Lent season, now is the time to eat a lot of beans and seafood and vegetable. We are in the Lent, going to Easter, so we normally eat vegetables and beans, and I'm going to also add my carrot to my pot. Smells so nice. And next, I would add my coconut milk to my pot. And then I would have my Maggi seasoning, all-purpose Maggi seasoning. And I add a tip of salt because it's not going to take long to cook because the chickpeas already cooked, and just adding all this thing. Then I would also add my sweet pepper, my chickpeas, I'm also going to add some cayenne pepper. I'm also going to add some cayenne pepper in my pot. And cover my pot with all the seasoning, the different flavor of seasoning cooked down into my chickpeas. Leave it, let it cook down. Okay. Look, I'm going to check on my pot. This smells so nice. This pot is looking so pretty. Pretty. Everything in there is looking nice. Smelling nice. And now that my chickpeas is finished, I'm going to turn out my food. And this is the finished dish of my curry chickpeas. Please could like, share and subscribe to Bev Jamaican Cooking. Thank you.